So there we see on the 22nd that there was a flare. So again, possible that that would have reached Earth by the 23rd. The next video's dates are, the date is from the 16th, so we're going September 14th through the 16th. Okay, so as we see again, lots of flaring and activity prior to the video on the 16th being taken. Moving on to November 1st through the 3rd, the video being from the 3rd. And again, we're already seeing it act up right in the beginning there. Lots of extra activity happening within those days, and when it blacks out like that, I'm fairly certain that it's because it's pretty much, in simple terms, too much for it to handle. Because it does that sometimes when it's very active that I've been watching it. It'll just randomly black out, and the hours missing I think is more NASA's doing, but when it blacks out or gets really fuzzy, that's actually from the particles themselves. So we see again there was activity prior to the video from the 3rd. Moving on to December, whoops, that should be 2011. December 3rd through the 5th. This video is from the 5th. Wow. Okay, so without even seeing the end of this, we're seeing activity that could back up the theory that electromagnetic particles are making those noises in the sky. The next one, January 8th through the 10th of 2012 now. Video from January 10th. Sorry, sometimes I don't start at the beginning, I'm not sure why. Oh wow, yep, there's another one. Even this right here, there's got to be a lot of electromagnetic energy coming off of this that's spouted out really far from the sun itself. Okay, so that backs that one up. 9th through 11th, well, we already did see activity that would back that up, but we'll just show it one more time. Here's that one coming out very far again. And then we have a flare. More tiny flares. Another big flare. That's actually, it looks more like a storm because it keeps going. So we see that that one is also backed up by sun activity. Now January 12th through the 14th. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to go through and do the rest of them because I have already, and I want you guys to see for yourselves that this could be a valid theory for why people are hearing the noises that they're hearing. So I went down and did through January 11th, and I'll post the rest of the dates so that you don't have to watch the video and get them yourself if you don't want to. But go here, go to Soho Movie Theater, I'll link to this as well, pick Lasco C2, doesn't matter what resolution, and put in the dates. And just see if there's anything that you see strange. Now, just for an example of what the sun usually looks like, I don't know if we've been having activity lately or not, but I'll show you the past 2 days currently. Because not every day is full of flare and activity. Like, not every day is full of flare and activity like what I was showing you. So these are the past 2 days. Oh, and look, we have had a flare. Whoa, we've had a couple of flares. A good reason for the increase in the strange sounds could be this. I mean, look at the sun is going crazy, and it has been increasingly having flares and storms and CMEs, at least as I know of within the past few months. So I'm assuming has slowly been increasing over time. So that's just to give you guys an idea, then that could be the reason. I invite you to find, sorry, I can't find the video unless it is this one, where the man says, this is a very common occurrence. It's when there are electromagnetic particles in the air, they make like a bending, whining type noise, and it seems to match all of the strange sounds that people are hearing. Another theory that I just thought was kind of interesting, and who knows, I think anything with it is within the realm of possibility, but somebody had said that they studied over 139 of these sounds, and if you know what the Voyager is, it is a satellite that we have sent into space, and basically we want it to just eternally travel until it finds a new life force or more living beings, basically. And it's on this Voyager satellite, there is a golden record, which can be played in a record player. It's virtually indestructible. It's got engravings of pictures of Earth, and it's got engravings of certain sounds from Earth. This site lists all of the different sounds. And one person said that one person speculates that the sounds that we're hearing in the sky could be a call answering us, because most of the things on here are in like 55 or so languages. So if a being that doesn't speak those languages hears it and they want to communicate, they may use the non-verbal ways to do so. So this is one of the sounds. And remember, these sounds are on this golden record. So again, I mean, anything is possible. Maybe aliens have heard us, maybe they have listened to the record, but I don't see how that's really possible, because I'm pretty sure that Voyager is still being tracked and followed. But I don't know, everything is possible. So maybe it's aliens, maybe it's earthquakes, maybe it's volcanoes, maybe it's fracking, maybe it's sand mining, maybe it's electromagnetic particles. Tell me what you guys think, because all I have are opinions, and they're just ideas based on what I gather and see. So I'll link you again to every site that I've shown you here, and I hope that you guys can help me uncover the mystery of these weird phenomenon that are happening across the globe now. So happy Friday, guys. Thanks for watching.